Sanibona bafethu, Orlando Pirates iyodlala kusasa idlala neMarumo Gallants FC. This is a must-win game for Orlando Pirates. Siyawudinga ngempela u3 points. Kumele siyimatche irecord esethwe iMamelodi Sundowns currently because you see iMamelodi Sundowns right now iphezulu esicongweni. Yabo, sifuna ukuhambisana nabo ngamapoint sifike la sifika khona. So kule game yakusasa angidingi Orlando Pirates ngizothina angidingi Orlando Pirates defensive kakhulu. So dingi Orlando Pirates kusasa more attacking. Yabo, more attacking. So na iline-up yami mina engayisetha mase ngithola ithuba ku-Orlando Pirates yabo. So epalini siyamaso ku-goalkeeper wethu. Goalkeeper wethu siyamaso uSipho China. uSipho China has been our number 1 goalkeeper since last year. Actually since that year yabo. So uSipho China ngamqalisa epalini because yena goalkeeper esimthembayo currently and number 2 goalkeeper kwi-South African national team yabo. So ngaqalisa yena uSipho China epalini lethu. Kuthi ma center backs wami ngaqalisa lo mjide lo uSibisi ibe noSisana. I don't know why abantu bengamthanda uSibisi, but for me uSibisi currently is doing very well for Orlando Pirates yabo. Uyasinikeza iperformance emnandi yabo. Ngeke ngazi abantu mhlamba bayithanda style of play yakhe, but since efikile uSibisi mfethu I think Orlando Pirates sa consider 3 goals if I'm not mistaken kubethu Premiership yabo. Asika consider amagoli amaningi ngaleyo ndlela. Sisadlala 8 games sa consider 3 goals if I'm not mistaken, but ungahamba uyochecka now yabo. Ngimdlalise benosisane leyo combination currently yasebenza yabo. uSibisi benosisane mase ukuthi kuma wing backs wami ka left back ngaqalisa uHotho yabo. I know most people might say why uqalisa uHotho yabo, why uqalisa uHotho because uMarco ufit. Bafethu ngicela ngizwe kahle, siyodlala neteam ejwayele vele ukuconsider yabo. iMarumo Gallants iya consider vele if you ngasubhenja most recent games wabo baya consider impela yabo. And I think banama clean sheets ayi2. So njengoba sodlala nabo kumele sifake ischeme esi-attacker. Njengoba ngizofaka uHotho as i-left back, uHotho uyakwazi uoverlap phambili. Angikwazi ukuhlalisa uHotho phambili. uHotho medlala as i-left wing, uHotho akasinikezi leyo nto yabo esidinga. And mangizoqalisa uMarco aka-attack njengoHotho yabo. uMarco aka-attack njengoHotho. So menginikeza uHotho i-left flank e-right yabo, akwazi ukuba ne-freedom, akwazi ukuhamba phambili ashaya ama-cross lapha asebenzisana nomdlalo ozobe edlala i-left wing okumfukeng yabo. Mase kuthi i-right wing back yami ngaqalisa lo mjida lo uVan Rooyen. The reason why ngiqalisa uVan Rooyen instead of uMonyane, uma usubheke uMonyane ile right wing back le ehamba kakhulu yabo. I-right for this game uMonyane, u-right for le game le uMonyane, but the reason why ngamqalisa uMonyane, sidlala neteam emnandi kakhulu uyi-attacker ngeside la left yabo. Ba-attacker labajidela mebezongena ngala. Kukhona laphana omsendane, khona oMaboja ababedlalela iSundowns yabo. So ngiyamdinga umdlali oyazi iposition yakhe odlala i-right back. Nyamazi bafethu umsendane, nyamazi uMaboja lo wedlalela iSundowns yabo. La bajida bamnandi ngempela. So ngiyamdinga uVan Rooyen lapha athi ukusala kancane, athi ukumaka kancane yabo. So mase ngiza la esanda sijwayele le combination le yize ibuye ingasebenzeli in previous games, but le combination iyona combination emnandi yabo. Ngaqalisa yena uMakehleni Makhawula benombatha bafethu. uMbatha yes kuma games ama-previous games sawadlalile akadlali kahle uMbatha, but ngamqalisa kule game le bafethu. Siyawudinga u3 points, sayidinga i-team more attacking yabo. Sayidinga i-team defensive. i-team defensive bethu izosenza singawutholi u3 points esodingayo yabo. Izosenza singawutholi uqalisa uteam noMakehleni Makhawula mhlambe. That's too defensive against iMarumo Gallants yabo. Ngaqalisa uMbatha benoMakehleni Makhawula because I know uMbatha uyakwazi ukushala ama-forward passes lawa mnandi. And nawo uMakehleni Makhawula uyakwazi ukurana nebhola yabo, aphasela ama-forwards wethu phambili. Mase kuthi phambili unumber 10 wethu wakule game le ngeke ngimqalise uMfukeng as unumber 10. We cannot start uMfukeng as number 10. I don't know yini lo coach azama ukuyenza lapha, but uMfukeng as number 10 I think leyo nto mhlawumbe kwakuyinto okumele sizame kuma pre-season games, kuyinto mhlawumbe kumele sizame kuma friendly games. You cannot start uMfukeng as number 10. These are crucial matches yabo. So ngaqalisa ulumfana lo uDlamini as number 10 because kunama issues currently with uTiti Masonganye and uSaleng. We saw uTiti Masonganye edlala weCalling All Stars yabo. Akana lutho uTiti Masonganye. Maybe there's a thing going on behind the scenes. Orlando Pirates management versus uTiti Masonganye singesazi nayo uSaleng yabo. So ngaqalisa uDlamini because we're gonna start ulumfana lo uMfukeng as number 10. We don't get ama results esiwathanda uma soqalisa uMfukeng as number 10. Since aqala uqalisa uMfukeng as number 10, I don't think sesawina yabo. Ade sagcina ukuwina because of la number 10 position. La number 10 position idinga umdlalo okwazi ukudlala as number 10. Ngingamqalisa lo mjida lo uDlamini. Yize uDlamini angajwayelanga ukuqala imatch because mayiqala imatch akadlali kamnandi, but ngamqalisa, yabo. Ngamqalisa because sayidinga creativity lapha. Sidinga creativity lapha sithola ama goals. Mase kuthi i-left winger yami ngaqalisa lo mfana lo Mfukeng. Qalisa lo mfana lo Mfukeng mfethu siyamazi sonke Mfukeng mafethu uyadlala as left wing, yabo, and uzosebenzisana noHotho la. So ngaqalisa yena ka left wing. Mase kuthi ka right ngaqalisa lo mjida lo uNkota. Yabo, I know most people like uSaleng. Most people like uSaleng, but we don't know ukuthi kwenzakalani behind the scenes with uSaleng eOrlando Pirates. Yabo, we don't know. Asazi bafethu ukuthi kwenzakalani. So currently ngaqalisa lo mjida lo okhona okubani okuNkota. Yabo, na uNkota mfethu uyasinikeza ama performances are right, and mesidinga team eattacker. uNkota is the right man to call. Yabo, he's the right man to call because he knows how to shoot outside the box. He knows how to shoot, when to shoot. Yabo, he's the correct man for the job yale game le versus Marumo Gallants. Yabo, because vele lesimbi sizodlala nayo ijwayele vele ukuconcede abanayo defense emnandi. Yabo, mase kuthi strikers maybe most people won't agree with me. Yabo, maybe nama differences akhona within the fans, but mina I would choose lo mfana lo uMabasa over uMakgopa. I know Makgopa is a hard worker. Makgopa is a hard worker, but we don't need hard workers. We need goal scorers. We need strikers who score goals. Yabo, we need strikers who score goals. Sidinga abantu abascora ama goal. Uqalisa uMabasa, ngimqalisela uMabasa because ukhona uDlamini uzomsupplyela impahla le, i-creativity, uzomnikeza amabhola. Yabo, that's the reason why ngiqalise uDlamini ngaqalisa uMabasa. The reason why ngiqalisa uDlamini is because uDlamini I know uzonikeza uMabasa amabhola. Yabo, amabhola lapha maseshaya net bethu uMabasa, because uMabasa ile striker lesimesifika eboxini asicabanga kaningi, sishaya nje inqaku, and mase uqhathanise leyo nto benalo umjide lo uMakgopa. You can see the difference between uMakgopa noMabasa. uMakgopa mefika eboxini uyacabanga ukuthi aphase noma akhahlele, avela phasi umuntu. As a striker kumele ube naleyo mindset. I-mindset ye-striker ukukhahlela ibhola linethini kumbe igoli yabokujatshula. Yabo, so iyona ke line-up yami le bafethu. Ebhaleni ngaqalisa uSipho Chayine, ma-center backs wami kube uSesane noSibisi, left back kube uHotho, kuthi right back kube lo mfana lo Van Rooyen, center kube uMbatha, benomakhehleni Makhawula, mase kuthi ama-wingers wami kube uMfukeng, mase kuba ngala ka right kube uNkota, mase central attacking mid kube lo mfana lo uDlamini, mase kuthi striker kube uMabasa. Yabo, wena wangitshela ama comments ukuthi yipho ni line up ongayisetha mase uthola ithuba eOrlando Pirates. But nje le game esoyidlala kusasa, it's a must win game because sodlala yona mase sidlala le game le eMagesi. Yabo, I'm really happy ukuthi sodlala neMagesi after lo coach lo engasekho uClinton Larsen, because ngayithola indaba about uClinton Larsen ukuthi uzohamba kwiMagesi, nangempela ke wahamba kule game le ye-weekend. Yabo, so I'm really happy. Ngathi singathola 6 points kula ma games lawo 2. Ungangitshela kuma comments, ungakhohlwa ukusubscribe uVane Sports lo bafethu. Mufuna ukubona more videos about Orlando Pirates, ungakhohlwa usubscribe. Yabo, ngiyabonga.